So to put the masking fluid on, you can get all kinds of masking fluid that has very fine tips, which work sometimes and don't always work. But this time I'm just going to try using a wooden skewer. I'm not worried about putting soap on it. So I'm just going to dip it into the masking fluid. Oops, and you don't want too much to drip. And you can come along and put the masking fluid where the lightning was. There's not a ton of control about how big these lines are getting. You can kind of tell where it beat it up here. I'm going to go ahead and move that out. But I haven't tried this before, so I guess we'll get a chance to see. Now for this white area, that'll be great, because we've got a big spot that's white right where the center of the lightning is. But we'll try these jagged edges of the whitening. I went and put lots of soap on my brush, and I've got a very fine brush here. I like painting with brushes, so I think I'll like that better than a stick. But it's still pretty thick there. I'm not going to put masking fluid where I put the mountain range. I'll be able to see that through the inks when we pour. Sure, the stripe came all the way down to the mountaintops. So I'm going to tip it to the side. It kind of sparkles. You can see it's kind of wet. The masking fluid's been applied. You want to put a little bit more on. It's not going to hurt. You just tilt it in the light and see the angle that works best for you.